Hello, people. See who I have with me. This young man, young woman. Actually, she's as you can see, she's very busy. Oh God, where is she? Oh, both of them are here. That little guy, Fluffy. He's more receptive to coming on camera, but this little lady, as you can see, she has a zillion other things to do. But that's what it's. It's these little souls come to wake me up in the morning, and I would say that's like the cutest part of my day when they come to wake me up, like thing. So no, really, like I'm part of these so many groups on WhatsApp, right? So there is this child helpline number that is called 1098, and it is like there is this website called Kara, which is the uh, official adoption agency in India. So children who've lost both their parents to COVID, people should approach Kara and not any other unauthorized agency, because that can lead to child trafficking. So, no, in the morning when I woke up, I saw that message. So I was like, I don't know, I was very disturbed. So, really, people, child helpline numbers 1098 and Kara is what everybody should, you know, anybody who's in the need should approach. No, yeah, this is such a sensitive topic, I can't even speak on it. It is so really, I'll catch up with you all in my next video, and I'll try to speak about something light and bright. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.